we got these bamboo marker organizers for our 320 Ohuhu markers. So let's see what it looks like.
Yeah.
We just got this off of Amazon.
Yeah.
We sure did. And
I didn't know that.
And we're going to, or we got 2 of these too, so that it could fit all of the markers.
Yeah.
Oh, like it's all bubble wrapped and fancy. Cool. Oh, and it comes with these little felt pads on the bottom. And we can just stack it up. Great. Let's get the other one open too. Cool. Yeah, comes with these felt pads again. Perfect. This will be perfect for our markers. Should we test it out?
Yeah.
Okay, let's bring the markers over. So as you all know, we have these 320 Ohuhu markers. And we always struggle to find our color codes, right? Even though we kind of have it in the same general area, like the R codes are all here. And that's what we struggle with, right? Yeah, so let's try to get it in order so that we know exactly where our color codes are when we're trying to find it from our swatch sheets.
Let's do alphabetical.
Okay. Okay, well, let's begin.
Are there A's?
Actually, should we go in order of this?
Oh yeah.
Color swatch 1 and then go in order 2, 3, 4.
Y1.
Okay, let's do it.
Y2.
Okay, found my Y1. Ooh, and 4. It's kind of in the same order. So it's supposed to fit in like this.
Y3.
6.
8. 7.
Perfect. 7 and 8. Yay! 8 markers fit. This is gonna take a long time in itself, huh? But once we get it set up, it'll be so much better later on. just noticed that we have this blender marker. It's completely no color and it just helps blend in the alcohol markers. That's cool. We did it! Welcome! Check out how we use all 320 of these markers on our channel.